Hello, my dears. How are you? I'm very fine, thank you to my God. I'm Asnake Halu from Ethiopia. I'm doing my job here at the Western University as a physics lecturer. As usual, I requested to do this problem with you. Would you like to do with me? That's great. Now look, my dears. What the problem says? It says a simple pendulum of length 1 meter has a period of 2 seconds, is certain in place. If its period is to becomes 4 seconds, then its new length must be 6. Great. First, what we have to do? Well, now, in case of simple pendulum, we already derived how we can tackle such a problem in the case of a simple pendulum in our regular class. That is simply the period in case of simple pendulum could be calculated as pi, period is equal to 2 pi, and then under root of L over G in the case of simple pendulum. Great. But in the first case, if the period is 2 seconds, and then its length is 1, what will happen if we double the period? What do you think? Is there any variation within the length? To be 4 seconds, the length could be half or double. We'll see together. Look, my dears. Here, in the first case, this is given to us. That is 2 seconds. 2 seconds. And then which is equal to 2 pi. And then L is 1 meter over G. Great. Just eliminate both sides by 2 pi. And then it becomes 2 over 2 pi. And then L over G. Let it be this is equation 1. Just ignore for the time being the units. Just ignore. It doesn't make any difference. Let's be equation 1. Great. In the second case, our period is 4 seconds. Okay? As usual, T2 is equal to simply 2 pi and then L2 over G. Since we are at a certain specific point, since the pendulum found at a certain specific point, acceleration never be changed. And it was a very important thing to be the period to be double than the previous. The length could be great. So look, my dears. This is 4 seconds. That means this is the double of the first one, twice of T1. Okay? Twice of T1. That is 4 seconds. Okay. And then 2 pi. And then L2 over G. Just eliminate as usual by 2 pi. This becomes 4 over, just ignore the unit for the time being. 2 pi, which is equal to L2 over G. Okay? L2 over G. Let it be this is equation 2. And then, what will happen if we divide equation 1 to equation 2? What will happen? Yeah? What will happen? What will happen? If we divide, okay, equation 1, 2, equation 2, that means 2 over 2 pi, the whole over 4 over 2 pi, 4 over 2 pi. This is equivalent to this. Yeah? L1 over G. Yeah? L1 over G over L2 over G. This is equivalent to this. Just or this means simply 2 pi, 2 over 2 pi times 2 pi over 4 and then which is equal to, this means L1 over G times G over L2. Look, my dears, 2 pi by 2 pi cancel each other by 1. By 2, 1, by 2, 2. So 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 2. And then this becomes, the number which found on the right side becomes simply 1 over 2. Look here, G by G cancel. Since we are talking at a certain point, at a certain fixed position, anyhow, G is constant. And then G is cancelled. And then what will happen? Look, L1 is 1. So 1 over L2, which is equal to 1 over 2. So what you have to do, just scale both sides. And then this becomes, look, 1 over L2, which is equal to 1 over 4. And then 3 cross, L2 becomes simply 4. We did it, my dears. From this, what you understand, to be a double, a period, the length of the pendulum should be double. Thank you for watching. Please, my dears, subscribe to my channel and put your any idea upon the box. Thank you. Bye-bye.